Okay, I wanted to make a video on how this figure 8 sun and moon and all the so-called planets that they call planets. The sun spins around the South Pole. It goes anti-clockwise. In your books it will tell you that it goes clockwise. I don't think this is clockwise. Well, then it goes to the South Pole and goes clockwise. This is anti-clockwise. They're looking at it from the ground up, which looks clockwise, which is really anti-clockwise from the view from above the stars. And basically what I want to show is how it actually works. I've actually pulled out a program that you can download and check for yourself. It's called Sky Maps. Well, this maps out where all the stars are, where the sun is, longitude, latitudes, the hours, basically, and you can find out exactly where everything is in the sky from the South Pole to the North Pole. Okay, the South Pole, I can map out every star that travels around, like the Southern Cross is basically here, and it goes around the South Pole like this. There's many other stars I can map out on this, and I can map them out on the North. But what I want to actually show is Australia is about here, looking towards the equator to the North Pole. The sun rises in the northwest. The sun rises over here from Australia. The moon comes from behind me in the southeast and the moon is tracking on this line here, tracking around the South Pole. Same with Saturn, same with Pluto, same with Jupiter. The sun is tracking on the outskirts of the North Pole, and soon in the next couple of weeks you're going to watch it jump in the application. You watch it jump from the North Pole over the equator and start going around the South Pole. And you can monitor this in the application. It's called Sky Map. Another thing, if people think that it goes around the North Pole, well, it's only going around the Tropic of Cancer to the equator, and then they think the Tropic of Capricorn. Well, what you're getting is no sine wave. And what I mean by that is the sun is coming down and back up around the North Pole, down, back up. It's not coming this way. It's got to come this way and that way to get a sine wave. Yeah. I hope you understood that, and thanks for watching.